With TimberSled going out of business last year, we've been on the hunt trying to find the new kits. You know, we love to snow bike over here, so we was out trying to make a decision on the kits that we were going to ride. Last year, we were able to spend a little bit of time on this new Yeti One kit. It was on some spring snow conditions, but they are rowdy. If you break this thing, they dare you to try to break it. You launch this thing off of a cliff, as long as you've got it on a video, or in fact, even whether you do or you don't, but if you've got it on a video, they'd love to see it. For those of you who don't know, the new Yeti One it's a very unique kit. What we liked about it was you can actually take one kit and transform it from more of an aero, more of a stable platform to a full-out extreme rowdy, more than what a Riot even was. So these suckers will get really rowdy. The first thing you'll notice with these is, of course, the skids. These come in a really cool, fully matte carbon fiber on this thing. So a few things that we got with the Yeti Snow Check was you get what they call Yeti Care, but you break it for whatever reason, they'll fix it. So they've got this thing totally, they redesigned the tunnel as well to where they've just really reinforced the carbon fiber on top of what it already was. And then of course they're running the 3 1/4 track on this. Comes with the Snow Check. It also comes with the tunnel assembly already connected on this thing, so you can put your tunnel bags on here already.
With each of these bikes, you're gonna get some select parts that are going to come with them. They're going to come with a spare drive belt with them on these Snow Checks. This is Snow Check only. You're going to get a spare belt. Send you with a little hand pump. This is for pumping up that one Fox shock for the one true suspension setup that they've got put on these things. You also get your strut rod set up in here.
So their strut rod assembly is a little bit different on these. This has got a little bit of play in this one. It's not just a solid strut rod, it's kind of a hybrid in between there. But that's their strut rod assembly. They send you with a complete chain as well that you can cut down. Some sweet stickers. Oh yeah. Something new for this year too is carbon fiber on your spindle. That sucker is light. It's a lot thicker than what I thought it was going to be too, so I'm excited to run that. That ski is definitely a different design. I talked to some of the riders that came off of a TimberSled onto this one. They told me that just to trust the ski, we need to go out and ride that in some regular snow conditions. It's supposed to bite a lot harder than what the TimberSled ski is, so we're excited to give that a shot. So again, this is our first year, but with this new skid design, with what we saw last winter, this is impressive. We're gonna have 3 or 4 of our own bikes set up, and we've got a few customers that are going to be setting up their bikes as well. So we're gonna try these out this year, and we'll be in tune on what we find out.
On these Yeti kits with the single shock setup that you've got down here, you do have a quick adjust ability on these. You've got 3 positions to change your pressure on these shocks in here. You do have a super easy and quick access to your belt drive system in there and all of your pulleys for any of those quick fixes or changes that you need to be making to your belt drive in there.
Fuel cans on these. That can be sitting right here. I believe it's like a 3.5 inch or a 3.5 gallon can, so it's pretty good size, and it's molded to fit right up inside of here. I think on ours, on this, we're talking about just running some dry bags. With this rack setup that they've got, you can get any size of dry bag that you want. We're gonna be a little bit more limited on the bag storage we have on the Yetis compared to what we had on the TimberSleds, but with this rack setup, we could have a pretty good sized dry bag and fit, I think, pretty much everything we want. But stay tuned, we'll get these built up and give you some more reviews on what we're finding.